Reinhardt with Illinois WorkNet. Today we're going to focus on what works for you, social media and the job search. And our feature today is Facebook. What can Facebook do for your job search? Individuals who are applying for a job are creating their own personal brand. So with Facebook, you can build awareness of your skills, you can provide information to others in your industry, and then you can find leads to potential jobs and share openings with others. One of the things about Facebook is it's the largest social media network. Facebook user spends 20 minutes per day on the site. How can you use that to help your job search? If you're in job search mode, take a look at the items on the right, and we're going to actually demonstrate a number of these. And then you can make those updates to your profile, and hopefully you find a job really quickly. So to get started, you're going to update your About section, and I'm going to show you how to do all of these steps here momentarily. Change your Facebook icon to a professional image. Make sure that you have professional skills in your profile. Verify that your security settings are there to keep things private. And then check any items in which friends tag you to make sure that they're appropriate for your job search. So let's move on to Facebook and take a look at what you can do with Facebook. So hopefully everybody can see my screen right now. And we're going to be looking at a Facebook profile for somebody that we made up for this purpose of these demonstrations. We have Sally Sample, and if you can't tell, she's a baker. But on her profile, where you click on the About, it has some information here where you can add an overview of your education and your work history. You can add information about your work and education. So we've got her working at the Sugar Jar Bakery, taking orders, adding those keywords that are important to being found in the job search. We've added some professional skills here, and all you have to do to change these things is click on the Edit button. But we have these keywords that are associated with her skills and where she wants to go. We added education that shows that she had baking production, hospitality management, the different items that have to do with that particular skill. And then we added some images in here that are basically a professional image for her profile and a professional looking baked goods item for her cover. So what you want to do also is you want to make sure that you look at the security settings about who can see your items, who can contact you, all of the different items that have to do with that privacy so that you're not showing people the wrong things while you're in job search mode. Also, when you're posting things in your status updates, you want to make sure that you include notices about your job search. You want to, on your phone, if you have Facebook on your phone, you want to check in at the company for an interview. Follow the companies that you want to work for, and then share those company updates. Tag companies that you follow in your posts. Tag connections in your network. So when you're typing a status update, all you have to do is use the @ tag and type in a name or a company name, and it will highlight it. Then when you post that status update, it will share it and call attention to that company or that person in their update notices. Use your network to reach out to a hiring manager. So if you know that you are working or wanting to work for a company, you can find out who your friends in your network are that can help you with reaching out to that company. A couple of other things that you can do are use some apps, and one of the apps that you can use is Be Known from Monster. Be Known helps you look for jobs based on a keyword and helps you find others in your connections who are associated with that job. The other application that's available is Branch Out. And you can use this on your phone or as an app on Facebook. One of the other areas that you may want to participate in is finding a group that you can associate with, ask questions, or use as a resource for your job search in your industry. Start discussion questions, share articles of interest to the group, and use the group to build your network. One of the last things that you can do if you're really interested in using Facebook for this purpose is you can create an ad. When you create an ad in Facebook, it helps you find particular people, promote your posts, or promote you as an individual. Now we have all of these tips available for you on a handout that you can get on our website on illinoisworknet.com. So all of these tips that we've just shared are all available for you here. And one of the things that you can do as you are looking forward for your job search, just go to our social media guide on illinoisworknet.com. Find all of the additional handouts that we have along with the Facebook handout that we just talked about, and then make sure that you watch all of our other videos on social media and the job search that include blogging, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you can follow us and get some more tips and tricks on job search and social media. Have a great day.